What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you one of the simplest methods to launch a meme coin on the Solana blockchain and then rug pull the coin successfully. That's right, you heard me. Today we'll be going over how to rug pull and how to carry out a proper rug pull from beginning to end. We'll start by opening Dex Screener and checking out a range of different tokens. On the screen you can see coins like Eagle, Claude Boat, Gunter, and several more. There are also examples such as the Penguin coin. Our main goal here is to discover a compelling narrative that can attract most of the liquidity toward the coin we plan to launch and then rug pulling. That's essentially the whole strategy behind this video. As I mentioned earlier, when performing a rug pull, the strength of the narrative plays the biggest role. If the narrative isn't convincing, the rug pull won't perform well. So with that in mind,
Now we're going to use a
let's begin.
Solana token creation website called Luna. I've left the link in the description and also in the comment section. This platform allows us to skip Pump.fun completely and then go straight to Dex Screener, which is exactly what we want because it gives the token instant visibility and attracts more buyers early on. So first things first, once you're on the website, go ahead and click Create Token. Now we're going to start filling in the basics. Choose your token name and your symbol. Keep it simple, readable, and easy to remember. Next is the image. I've already prepared mine, but you can create one yourself and upload it here. Make sure it looks clean, because this is what people see first on Dex Screener. After that, we move on to the description. What I usually do here is copy the description from the project's main website. You can do the exact same thing. It instantly makes the token look more legit and professional. All right, now let's scroll down to the social section. These are technically optional, but I highly recommend filling them out. Add their Twitter, website, whatever they have. The more complete this looks, the more trust it builds with potential buyers. Now, this next part is extremely important. Do not skip this. At the bottom, we have the 3 revoke options: revoke mint, revoke freeze, revoke update. You want to select all 3 of these. This makes sure no more tokens can be minted. The token can't be frozen and the metadata can't be changed later. If you miss this step, it can completely mess things up and people will instantly lose trust. So, double check that all 3 are selected before moving forward. Once that's done, the token setup itself is completed. After clicking Initialize, your wallet will pop up. The token creation fee is 0.5 SOL. I personally deposited extra SOL just to be safe, but technically you can do this with just 0.5 SOL. When you connect for the first time, you'll see a warning message saying the API isn't verified. This is completely normal. It just means the wallet hasn't interacted with this site before. Just remember, you'll need additional SOL later for liquidity. Go ahead and confirm the transaction, and that's it. Your token is officially live. Head back to Luna and click Liquidity Pools. This will redirect you to Radium.io. Once you're on Radium, go to Liquidity. Click Create. Select Standard AMM. This is the middle option. In the first field, paste your token address. In the second field, Solana. Now choose how much liquidity you want to add. I'm using this amount here, but you can add 1 SOL, 2 SOL, or whatever fits your strategy. Set the fee tier to 2%. This is the most common and works well for new tokens. Click Proceed. Your wallet pops up, confirm the transaction, give it a moment to process. And just like that, the liquidity is live. If we head over to Dex Screener now, you can already see the token listed. This is the main advantage of bypassing Pump.fun. You get instant visibility instead of waiting. Normally, it takes around 10 to 20 minutes for traders and automated bots to pick up the pair. From this point forward, everything comes down to 3 things: your narrative, your marketing, and how well you manage the project. I'll come back once we start seeing real buying activity come in. Now, as you can see, our token is on fire. We are getting so many buyers. If I want to rug pull it now, I can just do it, or I can also wait for more money to come in. But I just want to rug pull it. I cannot show the complete step-by-step guide as it's against the YouTube policies. The process is very easy and simple from here. Go to Radium and refresh your page until you see your portfolio. Click it Yesti. There you will see the amount you want to remove. I have almost 3,000 in liquidity. I'll do 100% and click Remove Liquidity. And that's how you can literally make $1,000 to $3,000 from just zero point 0.5 Solana. All right, guys, that is for today. Hit the like button if this guide has worked for you and let me know in the comments the amount you have rug pulled.